Congratulations, you were just installed with Surf Broadband Fiber Internet. I'm sure you have questions, and we want to make sure that we answer those questions for you. The biggest question that we get is, how long is my burial going to take? This process takes about 2 to 3 weeks, and here's what you can expect. The fiber optic internet cable is laid along the ground from the termination point at the road, on the ground, up to your home. During this time, utility locates are called so that our burial crews that follow the installation know where your electrical cabling and your natural gas resources are located underground so that we can avoid them. Feel free, if you need to mow during this time, to gently pick up the cable and position it away from where you need to mow. We make every effort possible to bury your wire as quickly as we can. We understand that having a line above the ground is an inconvenience for you, and we appreciate your patience as we work through this process. If you have questions about this or want to know when a team will be out, please feel free to give us a call.